Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. I've come across the bridge, across the deep river. I'm sort of on the beginning of the Faith Rock Trail, and I want to show you the Trout Lily leaves. And they call them Trout Lily because they are splotching like trout in the streams. It's an old name, but the reason why I'm doing this is because today is the first flowers I'm seeing. They're emerging from all the dry leaves, and that's a trout lily. I know it's a lousy camera. There's another one. And there's another one. These are the first ones I'm seeing today. I come here every day. This one is just opening. You see? It'll be fully open either late today or tomorrow. But its companion is fully open. It's 80 degrees today. Trout Lily. True sign of. Now the thing is, they don't grow everywhere, they grow here. Steve AB4L, just loving these Trout Lilies. Saying see you in 73.